welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing and doing a demo slash first impressions of the Ohuhu 18 colors poly nail gel kit, and this is the kit right here. So this is my first time doing poly gel nails on myself and in general, and playing with poly gel. It's really complicated. Well, I've already done it. I'm not gonna quite show you my nails quite yet, but I've already done it and it was a little bit complicated and everything, but here's to trying something new. And if you guys are interested in getting this nail kit or anything like that, then here's a review for you guys. I want to thank Ohuhu for sponsoring this video and for sending me their nail gel kit as well as their UV LED light. And yeah, thank you for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into the video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and let's get right into the video. This is the 18 color poly gel nail kit from Ohuhu, and over here you have your regular colors, and then you have your temperature colors, and then you have 4 like glittery colors, and then here you have your nail forms, your nail clipper, your cuticle remover, and you also have this tool to push your cuticles back, as well as a nail filer. And you also have this tool, which is a brush as well as a little spatula. This is what the nail forms look like. So they have plenty of sizes for you to choose from. And then you also have these things right here, which this is their slip solution. This is their base coat, their glossy top coat, and their matte coat. I love that they have a matte top coat because I love the way matte nails look. I am not sure what I'm gonna do yet. This is my first time doing poly gel nails in general. I watched a bunch of videos and stuff, so maybe I have it together, but for the most part, I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Ohuhu also sent me their nail. This is a UV LED nail dryer, and this is my first time using this as well. Like, you guys, I don't think I ever even got gel done at a nail salon, so this is very, very new to me. So their UV LED nail dryer also came with these tools right here. This is like the nail separator. Then you have a nail filer and a cuticle tool, whatever that is. And then you have this, which you can cut your, this is like a nail clipper basically, to cut your tips with. So I have a lot of tools and I think I'm prepared. So this is what my nails are looking like right now. You guys know I use a lot of like press-ons, and you guys know I love taking care of myself at home. So we're about to give this a try. All right, you guys, so this is what the nail colors look like before being cured. I decided to put them on a paper towel so you guys can see the swatches. The only one I didn't swatch was the clear one because obviously it's just clear. I believe these 3 and this, no wait, I think these 2 and then these 2 right here are the temperature changing ones. So they should turn white once I cure it. So let's see. So I took it out, and I took it out a little bit early, but they're basically cured. But as you guys can see, the temperature changing ones turned white, and this is how the color looks once it is cured, practically. I think I'm gonna play around in this, you guys. I think I'm gonna try to do a little bit of an ombre nail and all of that stuff. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna start with my right hand. Like, I'm gonna do my right hand first because I'm righty. So I wanna do, if I have nails and I try to do my right hand, it's just gonna be a lot harder. So I'm just gonna start off here, so it might be even more sloppy. So I'm probably gonna let you guys watch me work for a little bit. And then I'm gonna explain what I'm doing because I feel like then I'm gonna have the hang of it. All right, you guys, so at this point I am just pushing my cuticles back and trimming off the excess, and then I'm also going to be nail filing all of my nails so that I can take away the shine and so that they are prepped to start the base coat and all of that stuff. By the way, here I am cleaning off my nails with a little bit of acetone so that it's not super powdery and dusty. So I just want to say that I thought it was a good idea to start off with my, this is the base coat, start off with my right hand, like doing it with my left, but you'll see that it just didn't work out. So I ended up moving over to my right hand and started doing my right hand first, just for the sake of the video. So after that, after I apply the base coat, I cure it for, I think, 2 minutes. And here I am just checking which sizes of the forms fit my nails best. So what I've learned from the first time doing this is that you definitely want to pick a form that fits your nail a little bit too big rather than too small, because if it's too small, then it's just not going to work and it's going to keep like clicking off of your nail and you're not going to be able to cure it. You're just going to have to take it off. So I learned that you're just gonna, a little bit big is better than too small. Here I just poked a hole in the slip solution and I'm using the top so to pour it into, and I'm also using this light pink color and my brush to start putting the poly gel on the nail form. And again, I started off with my right hand and I started off with my pinky nail. I really liked this pink color too. It was really nice and it was kind of like a nude, like a pink clear color. So I really did enjoy this. Another mistake, this is mistake number 2. I think I used a little bit too much slip solution. Like eventually my nails just started slipping all over the place. I had some air bubbles, some parts came out thinner than others, and I think it was that I used way too much slip solution. So next time that I do this, I'm definitely going to use a lot less and allow the poly gel to do its thing, because using too much slip solution, the nail, it just doesn't cure right, and a lot of my nails cured way off of like you can see the separation between my nail and the gel, which was very annoying, which was actually the mistake I did with this first nail, and I ended up taking it off because I'm like, there's a huge gap between the gel and my actual nail and it just didn't look good. It just looked super lifted and yeah, just didn't look good. So after you apply the poly gel, you just want to press down on your nail. There's going to be some excess that comes off. You can clean that off with the slip solution and the brush, as I'm doing right here. However, as I said, I used way too much slip solution, which is why I had to keep pressing down because it started to lift up because it got too like watery under there. So yeah, don't use too much slip solution. I also cured each nail for about, I think I did 90 seconds in the low heat mode and then 30 seconds on regular. After that is done, you just want to squeeze the tip of the form and wiggle it a little bit and the nail form pops right off. I thought this is the coolest process of doing these polygel nails, like just the fact that you get, I know this is out of focus, but it really doesn't matter. It was a bad nail anyway. Here you can see I moved on to my left hand instead. Disregard the ashiness on my hands. I was using acetone, so that's just why it turned it, like my skin just got like that. But yeah, the best part is the reveal of the nail after you click off or take off the nail form, and this is what it looks like. This is what it's supposed to look like when you have a really good nail. And of course you have to clip off and then nail file the excess, but this one wasn't too bad. So I got a little bit confident and I went on to trying a ombre nail with that same pink color and the white. Now this nail didn't come out too bad, but I do need some practice on doing ombre. But as I told you in the beginning of this video, I really wanted to try just about everything and just really play in it. Like I wasn't trying to make it perfect. I was trying to make it good, but not perfect. I just wanted to play around in it to see how beginner friendly this kit is, and if I can do it, you guys can do it, because it is super beginner friendly. And this is what that nail ended up looking like. See, it's not too shabby, right? I mean, for beginner, it's not too bad. And then I went on to try a ombre with the pink and the glitter pink. This one also didn't come out too bad either. Oh, I also made sure to get under the nail, as you see in this clip here, because there was a lot of excess product and I just wanted to smooth that out. So sometimes the nail forms do take a little bit to come off. Again, disregard the acetone hands, but sometimes it does take a little bit to come off, but once it comes off, it's fine. And of course here, I just had to clip the excess off, and then again, the nail wasn't too bad. The good thing about polygel is that you can continue like trying to make it to your taste, your liking. You can continue to clip off, nail file, add some gems, do whatever you want to do, which I'm definitely going to do next time I play in the kit a little bit more. But then this is that hand. So this nail, for some reason, I wasn't recording this part, but I tried to do like a marble, and I just got this mixing palette and I mixed the white and the pinkish, and then I used a spatula to apply it to the nail form, and it came out looking like a smoky nail. But this is the entire nail thing. This middle finger on the right hand came out too short, and I hate the way these two fingers came out, so I'm gonna go off camera and fix those to my liking. Okay, you guys, so I'm not gonna show you guys my nails just quite yet because I really want to tell you guys I went ham on nail filing and stuff and all of that like random stuff because I really wanted them to look good, and now I kind of really don't like them, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. They're super duper short now, and here they are. I would say focus more on this hand because this hand looks better, and this hand is giving me just such a hard time. They still look really cute. They're still cute gel nails or whatever. They are really thick, but all of that kind of stuff, like it being thick and trying these like ombre designs and all that stuff, it just goes with practice. I mean, it just gets better with practice, so I'm not stressing about it, but it is pretty annoying. So right now I'm gonna do my coats. I'm gonna do some matte and some glossy, and then I'll be right back. So I believe I did these two matte and then these three glossy, and now I'm just gonna cure them for about 2 minutes. So these are my results using the Ohuhu Poly Gel nail kit. Okay, you guys, so now that I have completed my poly gel nails, this is my favorite hand, as I told you guys already, and this is the one that kind of like I feel like I'm gonna just take these off very, very soon. So here are my pros and cons. My pros are you don't have to wait for your nails to dry. I always almost mess up my nails in the drying process. Like 99.9% of the time I mess it up. Either I just either have to go pee or I have to do something after that. I chip a nail or something. It's just kind of annoying. So that is a big plus for me, the fact that I really don't have to wait a long time for it to dry. Like the UV LED light does it right away. That's a huge pro for me. Another pro is that you don't actually have like nails on, you know, you don't have to actually have like anything glued. It's really hard to mess these up. I guess it's the same thing as the first pro, but it's really hard to mess these up. Like once they're on and that's it. They're not just gonna like flick off, kind of like some press-ons do sometimes. And I can't say quite much on the polish if it's gonna like chip off or not, but it's not polish, it's gel, so it's not going to chip off. So that's another pro. Another pro is that it is beginner friendly. It does take some getting used to, and it does take some practice, but overall for my first time I think that these came out pretty dope. And like I can wear them outside and it could just look like a regular manicure. The only thing that's really bugging me is that I had to cut them so short. I really don't like short nails. My natural nails can grow to this length without a problem, so it just feels like I didn't even do my nails. I don't know, it's like a weird mental thing. But overall, I definitely recommend this kit. I've seen some other ones that people have reviewed because I've been watching a bunch of polygel nail videos, and I've seen some other ones, and so far Ohuhu seems to be like the best one as far as the polygel being of good consistency. The solution as well, I forgot what you call it, but the solution that you dip the brush into to fix the polygel is also one of the best across what my research, and of course from like, it was very easy for me to use and I've never done it before, so it's a plus for me. The only con is that it takes time. It takes a lot of time to do. But if you're enjoying the process, then I don't think that's a big problem. For me, I kind of got frustrated, and that's why I think this hand also came out kind of bad, because I was just tired. And yeah, I just got tired and I felt like I wasn't doing a good job. So overall, I just got annoyed, and yeah, that's the only con, is that it is time consuming. Like when I do my press-ons, it takes like 5 seconds to just glue them all on, and that's it. Another thing is I don't like the forms that much, because I feel like the forms didn't quite fit my nails properly, and so I have a lot of like, sorry, it's my middle finger, but I have a lot of this going on where there's a lot of like outside kind of thing going on. And I don't have the nail filer, like the electric nail filer, to help me smooth that out. So that's another con, but I have seen people use it with like the clear press-ons, which is going to be my next try. I'm going to try with my press-ons and do the polygel on top, and I think that's going to look super cute. But anyways, overall, I definitely recommend this kit if you're looking to do your nails in a more interesting and a more long-lasting time, because I know that gel nails do last a longer time. I do recommend Ohuhu, and again, I want to thank Ohuhu for sponsoring this video and for sending me all of these products, because I'm definitely going to be playing with them a lot more. You guys know I love taking care of myself at home, so I'm going to keep doing my nails at home, and now I have a whole new way to learn, which I do like learning new things. So yeah, I do recommend it. Give it a shot, see if you like it. It is beginner friendly, and yes, that's pretty much it. All of the information for Ohuhu will be in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!